Hey Jasmine, I just wanted to show you real quick where the tutorials are. I did email the class about this within the first couple weeks when I did the first grade report because I noticed students weren't doing them. It was also mentioned in the orientation. So remember that you don't just have iLearn work. There are preparatory steps on Blackboard. So we're on chapter 6 currently, so that's the folder that I'm going to open. And then within chapter 6 are all the modules or topics that we cover. So each module has a learning objective and then what we're going to use to accomplish that learning objective. So for example, in module 11, our learning objective is discuss food and table utensils in general and in a restaurant setting. And then you can see below we're going to use vocabulary 1, la comida y los utensilios, and vocabulary 2, en el restaurante, to accomplish this. So tutorials, though, are just grammar based. So we're going to go to module 12 folder since that is our first grammar. So if you open up that module folder, the first links that you see are the tutorials. And this is the information that would normally be presented in class. So like the teaching portion. And so each tutorial goes through and teaches students how to use the grammatical structure that we are focusing on. And then once you do, or once you watch, I should say, the tutorials, you mark them as reviewed. So let me switch to student view. And so once you watch the video, like I said, you're going to mark reviewed. And that's how I know you've watched it, and that is how you receive credit. So after you do the tutorials, that's when you go to iLearn, do your textbook homework, practice with that. Then when you feel comfortable, you move to the workbook lab manual assignments. Those are the ones that are not credit, no credit homework. And then you will finish that module by completing the quiz once you have a mastery of that concept. So I hope that's cleared up your confusion. Let me know if you have any other questions. Adios.